without wasting much of that time, please, if you have not subscribed, please do me a favor, click the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and like this video. That is the only way that you will be able to support me. Please, let's go to our Trust wallet. You open the Trust wallet. You open our wallet. It's loading. We click here. We click the app. We click the app. Click the app. It will bring us to this place. Then we go to our Telegram group. And get to our, we copy this. We copy this. See what you are going to copy here. You are going to copy this. You are going to copy this. Once you please go back to our Trust wallet. Paste it. Then we search. In searching, it will load up. Loading. Once it has finished loading, it has finished loading. You change this Ethereum to smart chain. Change it to smart chain. Change it to smart chain. Once you change it to smart chain, then you click here. It will take you down. Once you click, it will bring you this airdrop, the presale. That this airdrop you are claiming, the ending is going to end in 30th May 2022. So after 30th May 2022, people are not going to be able to claim this airdrop again. So, and from now till the period for the airdrop for people to stop claiming the airdrop is 76 days. So, and this airdrop, they are going to list this 1 PSM at the rate of 0.10 cents. That is at the rate of 0.10 cents. See it here. So that you understand what I'm saying. This is it. Okay. So you will come down, you will see claim 78 PSM. You click claim. You click at the claim. It will bring you at this page. If you can look, you will see this place that is saying insufficient smart chain BNB balance, because I don't have enough BNB on my Trust wallet. And when you are claiming an airdrop, you have to pay service fee, and the total service fee that is required for you to be able to claim this airdrop is $3.50. And if you don't have a $3.50 on your BNB wallet, on your Trust wallet, you cannot be able to claim this wallet. That is just it. But if you have up to 3.50 cents USDT dollar on your BNB wallet, you can be able to claim this wallet. If I have a 3.50 USDT on my BNB wallet, I would have seen something approve. It will be showing me approve. Then once I click the approve, automatically it's going to approve. Once you approve, they will send the airdrop in my Trust wallet. I will see it in my Trust wallet. It's not a hard something to do. Just follow up the video, don't skip the video, and you will get every details on how to claim this airdrop. I have claimed many of these airdrop, as you can see. Let me show you the airdrop I have already claimed in my trust wallet. All these airdrop that you're seeing, all of them I claim them. All of them, see, I claim all of this airdrop, and it's a very nice step for you starting crypto as a beginner. You should be able to claim many airdrop as you can. It's going to help you a lot. When they are listed, you are going to make money from it. So, and I will be dropping more videos or about airdrop. I will be dropping more updates about airdrop on this channel. So if you have not subscribed, please do me a favor and subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video, so that you will be notified anytime I drop video. Thank you, I really appreciate. Good day, goodbye. Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate.